Your head on my shoulder.
Halo semuanya, ini Mbak Tina Bule. Saya sudah tinggal di Indonesia 4 tahun, sudah punya suami orang Indonesia, sudah punya bayi juga, bayi mix tapi nggak ada bule. Karena saya suka Indonesia, saya mau belajar how to be a real Indonesian. I want to learn everything, how they are living, what are they eating. So basically, I just wanna learn how to be a real Indonesian. Kenapa saya suka Indonesia?
Emang kenapa ya?
Orang Indonesia baik-baik, ramah, makanannya enak-enak, the weather, wah, it's so good. Tapi macetnya, gila. Selain the amazing culture, I heard as well that there are so many interesting places to go and things to do here. So this is the reason I decided to start my traveling vlog, just to share with you as well how amazing and great Indonesia really is and how a Bule can really love it so much. So if you want to see my adventure, jangan lupa subscribe my channel and comment. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa!